Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. Today I'm going to show you how can you solve this simple second degree equation. X to the power of 2 minus 5x equals with 0. So in here we can solve it using two methods. First one, using the discriminant formula, which says that x equals with minus b plus minus square root of discriminant over 2 multiplied by a. But in this case, discriminant equals with minus b to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied with a multiplied with c. So, what are those numbers, b, a, and c? So these numbers are the coefficients of our x. In this case, a equals 1, b equals minus 5, and c, because we do not have c in here, c equals 0. So discriminant equals with minus 5 to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 0. Discriminant equals with 25. We go back in our formula. In order to find x, we have x1 and x2 equals with minus b minus 5 plus minus square root of 25 over 2 multiplied by a. Results that in here we will going to have two cases. Yes, x1 equals with 5 plus square root of 25 is 5 over 2. x1 equals with 10 over 2. Results that if we simplify those one, yes, results that x1 equals with 5. The second case, x2 equals with 5 minus 5 over 2. So x2 equals with 0. We have our solutions. Another method that we can use is using factorization. We can solve this equation. So we will have this equation written as x common factor x minus 5 equals 0. So results that x1, yes, x1 equals with 0, and another one, x minus 5, yes, x minus 5 equals 0. Results that x2, in this case, equals with 5. So we have the same results also in the first method, also in the last method. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments what type of exercises you want me to explain. If you understood this exercise and these two methods, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.